Okay, just have a question. Few weeks, months ago, I don't know, TDC came in the area on Kalpana, realization, creativity, and they proposed to put a parking front of realization, just before realization and the future of vibrance. And I'm wondering how it's possible to put a parking there when there will be no vehicle. And then why you don't put the car outside, as it was on the master plan, no? Then it was a full no from all the community. No, no car here, no car anywhere. They need to be outside. Then this part of the question. You plan already something. Then why you plan something when it's not showing there?
Thank you, Veronique. Your question is about why did Lavanya talk about parking in the residential zone if we are looking at a mobility plan for pedestrians. Thank you so much for bringing this question. I think this is very important that I need to clarify that because I was also part of the team which came and gave this presentation. So I would like to recall and say the circumstances from which we started that conversation and right now where we are. I think that was pre-COVID when we had this interaction with the residents of residential zone. Our intention at the time, and which is still there, is to ensure that we densify the development in residential zone 1 and 2. That is for quite a lot of reasons. One is like the infrastructure could be optimally used. We have a certain collective social life. We could actually make this transition to mobility. And we wanted to open up few parcels. But at the same time, in terms of planning, our biggest roadblock has been lands. There are a lot of private lands. And with the private lands being inside the city area, it's difficult to ensure a mobility to happen. And apart from that, we also didn't have so much of resources to really take something really big. So we came up with a proposal where we wanted to have as a stopgap solution, where we wanted to push the parking from being in individual communities to a certain collective zones as a temporary solution till we ideally create the service nodes. So once the service nodes are done, then the parkings are supposed to be vanished or has to be repurposed into some other structures. So that was the intention with which we came. That was pre-COVID. Now I think after that COVID, now when we have started working on that ground, I think we are in a much better stage where we would actually like to not even give this option, where we would like to go to a permanent solution, not a temporary solution which was proposed to before COVID, where we would like to have the service nodes, we would like to have a collective mobility, and we would like to have a little bit more people in residential zone and also open up the other residential zones 3, 4 and 5. So this is where we are coming from, and I believe this answers your question. So yes, today as of now, as a mobility solution, if the community is fine, we would like to go for a proper mobility solution, no stopgap solution.